Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a hotspot on your Vivo Y21. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Turn on the Personal Hotspot by switching the toggle to the right. To change the hotspot name and password, tap Setup Personal Hotspot. Enter your preferred hotspot name, then create a password with at least 8 characters. When you're done, tap Save. Now your hotspot is ready to use. Just connect other devices with the name and password you've set. Super easy!